Welcome to another video. Today is supposed to be the hottest day of the week. And look at this. A few minutes ago it was clear. I can see the sun coming out over there. When this stuff burns out, it's going to get really hot today. So another video. It's a Saturday. It's farmer's market. It's at 6 o'clock in the morning. And I am going to get a few things from my garden that are going to go to the farmer's market today. But first, I have to go through a gauntlet of, or whatever you might want to call it, of these guys. Go home. Go back. Go on, get. Go. Go, go. There you go. Not that way. That way. There we go. Okay, now go this way. And my lick. There we go. Now I won't get there. Oh, there's another one. I won't be carrying them in my hair. Okay. What I'm after is what we're taking to the market. It looks like a weed, but people like to eat this stuff. So I've been letting it grow specifically to take it to market. This is called purslane. So I'll make sure I don't get it too dirty. I have to take this to the sink and wash it. There's some. Now I'm gonna get big pieces out. So you would think this is a weed. It's almost a superfood. And I think that's going to be plenty of purslane for a couple baskets. That's about all people buy. Okay, I think that's enough weeds. Okay, I harvested most of my purslane or weeds out of the garden, and now I'm gonna get some Victorian rhubarb here, and that's why it's under the shade cloth. The sun burns it. So let's harvest a little bit of this and pick some nice ones here. I have to go from down here. How are we looking? That's good. There we go. Everything is measured out to a little 1 pound bundle, a little over 1 pound. And those are real pretty, nice, healthy, solid. Back from the farmer's market, and I left my iPhone here right after I finished harvesting this and cutting up the rhubarb and picking a few golden berries for Michelle at the market. I left my phone right here, but it's still here waiting for me. And these were the cilantro flowers that have got lots of seed on them now. I'm never without cilantro. These are getting ready to go to bolt too, but there's some good cilantro still there. My radishes are looking really good. I think that I can pick some of those today as well. And on this side of the garden, we were here today picking out this purslane, and I need to clean this up a little bit more. It's like when that purslane gets overtaking things, it'll overgrow my beets. And over here, the grapes are looking real good today. I'm waiting for them to turn purple. They will be doing that soon. My mission is to gather my seed for my lettuce projects. So this is freckled romaine, and I will have plenty of that seed. And this is curly lettuce, and they're all hiding back there. And I'm hoping to get some seed out of this. We didn't have a lot of pollinators here, so every time I looked at one of these, I only found a few actual seeds in here. There was a lot of fuzz, but maybe 1 or 2 seeds. So I'm not going to get a whole lot of seed out of all of this, simply because we haven't had any bees, pollinators around here. So this works out pretty good for me. I'm able to do it by myself, and there's no cross beams or anything that I've got to get up on top and screw down, and it's kind of hard to do that if you can't get in between to nail each panel in individually. So this seems to work pretty good until if you don't really fasten it down real well, the whole to the ground, and here when the wind comes up, it acts like a pretty good wing, and it just lifted all the way up and tore up. So I know better now. That problem will be fixed, but this works out pretty good. It's just simply a 2x6 cut in a small angle so that I got a pitch. And then I put that directly underneath where the tarp was originally in the aluminum tray, and then screwed that into the wall, and then backed that up with another backer glued to the entire wall itself. It's actually all glued and screwed. And then I'm putting this conduit across at you can see the intervals, and then I use the conduit anchors at the end. Now I'm going to screw all of that down now before I leave for the day. I got to have that done today. I can't leave it because we're expecting a little wind this afternoon, and I don't want this whole thing to go flying off again. Hi everyone, it is another day and the sun is coming up. And as you can see, it gets really sunny here in the canyon, and I am too late to get out and do any hiking, but I'm not too late to walk into spiders. Ooh, every time I come out here, there's the spiders. Looks like I got it all buttoned up, and I'm not worried about the wind blowing it off. Tomorrow I'll finish screwing down the upper deck up the very top, and then add flashing. And then finish sashing or making sure this is secure down to the ground. And then I'm done with this part. It's getting really hot already out here, but I got it done. Finally, hi! I'm up here on my roof, and everything is buttoned up solid. I don't think this is going to go anywhere time soon, unless we really get a big tornado through here. It'll be here. I think it'll take a lot more wind than it had before, because I've really buttoned it down. This will be the end of the video today. I've got to go to town. I've got lots of content to put in. Yesterday at the Vintage Shippy Chicks of North County, we had a little craft thing. We do that. We have all kinds of things. This is what I made. And I also brought some of my Burl wood to work on while we were waiting. I got there early, so I wanted to do something. And I take the bark off of this old Burl. This is scrub oak, and they have very unusual patterns and things. These are very, very old. They've been in the ground for a long time out here in this coastal desert. So they've been run over through drought, fire, and everything else, and they got bulldozed over. So I grabbed these burls that were in the ground, and some of them, after you take the bark off of them, have some very curious features and holes, and once I take the Dremel tool to them, they come out with some really unique shapes and things. Maybe the next video I'm going to do is to look at that oak tea. That's all just turned brown from the oak wood, tannin in this wood. Amazing. Now you want to know why streams turn brown when they look like that color? Just put some wood in it and they will look like that. Color will look like that, like tea, clear water when I put this in there. This is one of those scrub oak burls. And it takes quite a while to get this really, really thick bark off of here, because it's been in the ground for, oh geez, 50, 75 years at least. Long time. And it takes a long time to get all the bark off of that, and maybe I'll do a quick video. I haven't even started on this one yet. It's already conjuring up all kinds of weird ideas. Wonder what it's going to look like when all that bark gets off of it.